After connecting LS drive to the PC using RS-485 to USB converter, run the drive use software. And now create a new project by clicking on the New tab in the ribbon bar. Then assign a project name. Then select the model of the drive connected to PC and their version. Then click OK. Your project has been created as shown on the left in the project view. Now to connect the drive online, click on the Setting tab, select the connection type that we are using the 485 protocols. Then in the setting, verify the COM port and the baud rate. It should be matched with the VFD digital loader. Then click OK and then connect. Then on the bottom green state bar indicated your drive is online now. Now to read the drive parameters, click on the parameter read icon in the ribbon bar. It will show a dialog box in which we have to select which parameters we want to read. If we select all parameters, then it will take more time to read. So we only select the drive parameter. Once parameter read completed, click on the drive in the project view. It will show the parameter list with write and the drive values. Write values are the parameter values which are saved in your projects. Generally, they are the default values when you are creating a new project. The drive values are the parameters actually existing in your drive which is online. Now to change the drive parameters, let's suppose we want to change acceleration time from 2 to 5 seconds. Then in the right value column, change acceleration time 2 to 5 seconds. Then click on the parameter write option. The drive value also changes because it is the RAM memory of the drive. So keep in mind, if this time you turn off the drive and again restart the drive, the write parameters change to the old values, that is the 2 seconds, because you have write the parameters in the RAM memory of the drive. To prevent this, you have to copy the parameter values into the room memory of the drive. For that, click on the EPROM icon in the ribbon bar. This EPROM save option is very similar to copy RAM to ROM options in starter drive of Siemens software. There are also the drive control option in ribbon bar. From that, you can stop or reset the drive and also run the drive in forward or reverse direction. We can also compare the parameter values of the offline project and the online drive. We can also generate the reports that includes the complete parameter list and drive specification in Excel or HTML format. To open the drive, first unlock the digital loader and disconnect RJ45 connector on the back side of the digital loader. Then remove the loader. After this, loose the bottom screw and take out the front cover. Then it looks as this. Now also remove this bottom screw and then take out the cover. On the back side of this cover, there is a control board. After removing this panel, we can see the power board. This power board has a filter unit mounted over it. This EMC filter board consists of MOVs, capacitor, inductor. It is used in input line for protection from excessive electronic distortion. On the back side of the drive, there is a DC reactor. It is used for harmonic reduction and power factor improvement. Few troubleshooting I want to share which I faced on these drives. One issue is delayed power on. When we provide 3-phase power to the drive, it takes some time to turn on the display, sometimes more than 5 to 10 minutes. This would be because of weak capacitors on the power board. Sometimes due to overheating, voltage fluctuations, and over a certain period of time, capacitor degrades. So replace these capacitors buy new one of same specification using soldering iron, this problem will be solved. Another issue, when you turn on power to the drive, digital loader displays a message, check line please. This is due to the communication issue between digital loader and the control board. For that, first check RJ45 connector and cable properly. If still issue, there is a high possibility of a faulty control board which is need to be replaced by the new one because it's very challenging to repair it. These VFDs are also available in other countries by different model and make. Like in India, the maker name is L&T with Apex 2000 series, which looks very similar in shape and size. Manual also the same, only the language difference. However, there is some internal hardware differences. The main difference is in input EMC filter and no DC reactor in L&T model. As on my personal experience, the few advantages of these drives is that is low cost as compared to the Siemens and Yaskawa and other brands, and it's very simple and user friendly in programming because the parameters are shown by the name. Like in other drives of the Siemens there is number, parameter number, for example acceleration time is mentioned in words, while in the Siemens there is some parameter list like P1120. I feel there are some disadvantages, like it is not reliable as the Siemens if working in the same environment. Weak capacitor issue and the communication cost issue appears after a few years. I will avoid this to use in critical applications where the reliability is prime concern for me. So that's it. Thanks for watching.